Hello you guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Stephanie. If this is your first time here, I am recreating today sort of a summer skin look, you know, like the kind of thing that we're seeing more and more. A lot of people are trying to go like natural, lighter makeup looks, like lightweight, but also very glowing, very dewy. I think dewy is very, very in right now. Products like brands that didn't necessarily cater to like glowy foundations, glowy skin, or like highlighters, they're all coming out with their own, and I think it's amazing because like I'm just like give me the glow, give me the glow, give me the glow.
And you're gonna give me what I want.
And it was a quick one by the title. I hope you guys can tell that this is a quick little thing, but it's also like a chasing the sun type of moment. Like we're not allowed to go out in the sun, so we're gonna let the sun come to us type of thing. We're gonna bring the sun to us. I personally am in love with this look. This is one of my favorite looks that I've created on my channel. I'm very, very proud of it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before I let you go, make sure you're all subscribed and make sure you have hit the bell so that you're notified of future videos, and make sure you have given me a thumbs up because then I will know that you like these types of videos and I will just make many, many more of them. I hope you guys like this. This is kind of light for my channel, like so far. I'm not saying I won't do it, I'm just saying I haven't. And I definitely want to. But I'm seeing that they're going around. They're like kind of a trend now. So thank you again for all 58 subscribers who are subscribed to me. I hope we can get this number to 100. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video and make sure you stay tuned till the very, very end. I'm gonna give you a summer skin makeup tutorial. Basically, like every day, like around twice a day, you have like maybe 10 minutes to catch this certain light, and it is called, what's it called? Golden hour. It's called golden hour. Okay, so it's like sunset. So it's like sunset and sunrise. That's the skin that like your skin gets all dewy, you look all golden, you look very, you know, sun-kissed, and like it's very shiny. Like brown eyes look so honey, like everyone's like making themselves go blind because they want to, you know, catch their eyes in that light. So I figured we're gonna recreate that light. I know that this is kind of a trending mood, like a trending look right now going on around YouTube, so I'm very excited to do this. Okay, so we're gonna start by priming the skin with our Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut Priming Water. Do you see how like insanely glowy I look right now? Yeah, that's kind of the theme for this. We're gonna apply a little bit of our Milk Hydro Grip Primer and just grab a little bit, rub it against your fingers, and I love this primer for summer. I have actually used it, I believe, since last year, like summertime. I saw a bunch of YouTubers using it and I was like, let me see what this is about. I thought it was just some hype, because I've done that before where I bought a primer that's just been like super overly hyped and it didn't do anything for me. So very glad that this was not one of those. So we're gonna go in with a brand new, not brand new, but it is kind of new, but I've had this for about a week or so and I've used it like 4 days out of that week. It is the ABH foundation, and I think this is the coolest thing ever, the way that they just wrote foundation on it. So we're going to be applying that to the skin. And the point of this is sort of, you can't get sun. This is what I don't like about this foundation. It's this pump. Like, is it just me? Did I get like a faulty one? The point of this makeup look is to sort of mimic the effect that the sun puts on your skin anyway. Summer skin, we typically think of like beach and pools and like rosy cheeks and like super tan and bronzy, but also very glowy. For here, example, for Miami, it's kind of like everyday skin. And you kind of want to go in with a light hand. You don't want to go in matte. You don't want to go in heavy, full coverage. You want to go in dewy and you want to go in light. We have so much less summer days. I mean, winter days. It's just like, I think we had our hottest winter last year. So And it's crazy because I have all these coats and stuff. Like all these really nice coats for like what I thought would have been appropriate for Miami, because we don't get much cold, but we get some, but we didn't even get any. Like I don't think I wore a single one with the exception of one, and ironically enough it was to the beach. And that's why I think I like the cold, because I feel like I thrive in it. I feel like that's one of my best outfits, with my heels and like my super matte skin. You see that? We're just gonna, in between each sort of application, every layer, I'm gonna start setting it with the Morphe Luminous spray to lock in the moisture, to lock in the dew, and to lock in the longevity of the foundation. So like right around here, you see how it's like shiny, like here it's shiny, like here it's shiny. These are the places of our face that we're gonna highlight. We basically want to mimic what the sun would do to our skin. I don't know how many times I've said that already. Take a shot, play a game. And then you go in with your sponge. And I'm using the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Glow. This is like such an affordable drugstore option. It's so quick, it's so good. I will say though, it is a little fast drying, so act quickly. And we're sort of gonna spread it out because we don't want it to look precise, because when you sweat, you don't necessarily get to dictate what parts of your face are sweaty. So we're not gonna have this be precise. We're going to also add this right here because I see a little bit of glow. And then definitely the nose. Right here and right here. Oh yeah, she's dewy. I will say it's not that different from this side because luminous foundation and very luminous setting spray. Again, we're just gonna hit the high points of the face where the sun will shine. This is beautiful skin. It's like so juicy. It's like plum. Okay, so we're gonna go in next with our cream bronzer by Fenty. It's kind of crucial that you use a lot of cream products. I wouldn't recommend like you do all this work and then set it with powder and then set it, you know, like do a powder bronzer. And we're just gonna bronze up the skin. Make sure it looks very juicy, dewy, glowy, all of the above. We're not gonna stay looking greasy. How supple and juicy does the skin look? If I say juicy one more time.
Juicy.
And we're gonna grab our e.l.f. cream blush and we're gonna grab it on the Morphe E4 brush. We're gonna bring some life back into the skin. I feel like I look like I just ran a marathon, which I never would, but I feel like I look like it. Okay, so we're gonna set just the under eyes so that we don't crease, just the under eyes. And with a little bit of powder. We're not baking. We're just setting so that this doesn't crease. We're just gonna set basically anything that could crease. So under eyes, smile lines, everything else looks good and juicy. Just gonna take this little brush, grab my palette, which is the last one I used, with a little bit of OG, just a neutral brown. You can use your bronzer for this if you have a powder bronzer at your side, but I don't. Tap off the excess and sort of run that through the crease. Don't tip anymore. The excess of whatever was left in this brush. Run that through your other crease. We're just warming this up. And again, we're blending so that it looks very seamless. Oh, that is so pretty. I kind of want to just take one more color from here. And we're going to take Wasted. It's this light pinky nudie shade. Has a little bit of reflect. And this is all the eyeshadow we're going to do. Nothing hard, Very simple. This is such a quick look, like I can't believe I'm almost done. Okay, so you and I are gonna curl our lashes. You grab a lash curler. I wonder if the camera picks up this noises like if the mic picks up the noises my stomach makes. Like right now I just made a digestive noise that could convincingly sound like something else we don't do. You know, the F word. We're using our damn Gwrm mascara. This is my favorite mascara. Gives you such big thick lashes. Look at that. Look at the difference. Do you see the difference? Mascara, 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 mascara. And that was just one layer. No, we're gonna go in with double wispies, which are these right here in this pack. Okay, I got this pack at Marshall's. Cheap. For the amount of lashes that it brought, the amount of looks I've gotten, like uses out of all these lashes. Yeah, crazy cheap. And while we let the glue dry, we're gonna do our lips. We're gonna use our Essence Under My Skin. First of all, Essence lip liners are so cheap. They're like $2. And the quality, so good. So if you're in the market for some new lip liner, highly recommend you guys check out Essence. They're very good. And we're just gonna do Baddest Beige over top. This whole look, like, juicy.
Juicy.
This one. It's crazy because I always used to watch YouTubers wear the big lashes, and then they would put on the smaller lashes. They're like, oh my god, it's so hard. How do I do it? Oh my god, it's so hard. How do I do it? Okay, I think that's good for now. Oh my god, I look so good. I look so good. I have this NYX High Glass. I could use that as highlighter because it's gold and it's light and subtle, but it's also like, you'll see it. Let's just add that here. A little on the chin. So this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know that this is personally a very favorite of mine because I did not think that I needed lashes, but I'm looking at myself in the monitor, which is why my eyes keep going this way. I look very good. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some tips, got some tricks, got some inspiration, you know, like mimic the sun. We can't go out in it. We can't do much. Bring the sun to you. If we can't go out to the sun, we'll bring the sun to us. And that's kind of the mentality I'm going to keep with it. Very easy, very fast. Like, I'm very surprised at how fast this was. Like, I have a timer for how long I've been recording on my thing, and I'm checking it right now. Not at all, not that much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I really liked making it. I liked filming it. Look at me, like I am shining, okay? So I hope, again, you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you guys. Again, make sure you are all subscribed and make sure you have hit the bell so you are notified of future videos, and make sure you have given me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I read them all. I reply to them all. And I am so glad that you decided to watch this and, again, join me for my journey. And if you have any suggestions on what else you want to see, leave them down below. Doy guapa. Head. Oh, I just hit my mic. Did I just achieve the sunset? Wait a second. Wait. Every time I do this.